Ministry of Sound, we're here behind the next 6th birthday, 6 years of La Fiesta.
My bro?
Mate, I'm on top of the world, bro. I'm in La Fiesta. There's no better place. There's no better place.
Tell him again, you know. Tell him again.
Than here, I'll tell you. If you want a night out in London, this is the place to go.
Listen, talk to me about today, man. How you feeling about it? 6th birthday.
It's been a crazy journey so far.
Mad.
First time at Ministry of Sound. Big progression. You know what I'm
Massive
saying?
progression.
Worked
bro.
the way here.
It's a big club, man. Ministry.
Massive club.
I only live in the southeast, like round the corner. 5 minutes away, so I've come past it bare times. Even mum used to take for walks when I was 5, 6. Come past Ministry, ravers. Like everyone loves raving, man. People go raving because you want a bit of escapism. You know what I mean? People got issues at home, blah blah. But you come raving, you with your gang,
you're
with
free.
your girls, you're just nice. Your vibes, and you're like, yo, oh God, you get me? That's why I love raving. Ministry, bro. It's gonna be a good one tonight. Man.
Great one today.
I'm buzzing, bro.
And we're grateful for everyone that's been supporting us as well over
man,
the years.
bro. Fiesta's been
it's been
supported and backed by a lot of thousands and thousands of people,
So
it's good to always give back and put on good parties and make sure we're having a good time. So yeah, bro, I'm excited for today. Bro.
Hope everyone just has a crazy
big
party.
session, bro. But you got 18 hours. You got in.
18 hours. I've got at least. I've got 60. I got here at 10:30, so really, I'm 18 hours early.
You know what I mean? 12 till.
So I'm 20 hours if I
6.
reach.
That's light for me. Baby food, bro. Give me a bit of alcohol on my throat, bro. Easy work for me, bro.
I hear you. I'll be with you. I'm with you. I know it's
excited,
teamwork.
bro.
I'm with you all day.
Even, bro, listen, I'll say we get some beers now, bro. Fuck it, YOLO, let's do this thing. Come on, vibe you, bro.
Love.
La Fiesta 6th birthday. Happy birthday, La Fiesta. Happy 6th birthday. It's an honor to be part of this today. I've grown up obviously with Nathan, with La Fiesta, and then the boys all become my family now. And I'm here celebrating and I'm playing as part of it today. I've been here, I've been a fan, I've been raving it to La Fiesta, but today we're here and we're at Ministry. I grew up in the Scouts. I've grown up in the Scouts. Like, it's mad. My vibe is on, my energy is on such a high right now. So yeah, I'm gonna say it. Happy birthday, La Fiesta. It's a pleasure to be playing for you on your birthday. We're gonna shell outside, the sun shining. Love, greatness only.
I'm not going to
birthday, baby. 6 years.
Welcome to La Fiesta.
This is the first outfit. The second outfit will come in due course. But getting ready, man. We're warming. Look, when the party's warming, we're warming. We're taking the party inside. It's La Fiesta's birthday. 6th birthday. 6 years of La Fiesta. We're just getting started, baby. We're just getting started. I don't even know what to say.
Yay! La Fiesta! Ba-ba-ba-bum. 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 Hey, hey, hey.
Go on, my guy.
Yeah.
Give me your best dance move. Okay. Do you know where Ollie is?
Ollie who?
Ollie.
Ollie.
It's La Fiesta up at Ministry of Sound. Murphy's Law's on right now. Oh my God, it's Murphy's World and we're all living in it. It's crazy. Have a look at this.
Cheers for putting up with this.
It's brilliant. It's real brilliant.
And this.
Yeah, you know what? Smash it, boys. Smash it, boys.
Cut.
What do you do to show yourself that you love yourself?
Oh, mate, I have continuous gratitude for my own well-being.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wholesome.
I can move and have my arms and can train. That's what you should be grateful for. Word.
I mean, great. That's a great answer. All right.
What do you do to show love to yourself?
Eat pizza and burgers. Basically, sushi, bougie restaurants like
Bougie restaurants.
sushi, pizza, burgers, good foods.
I take care of myself. That's it. Everyone's got to take care of themselves, feel good about themselves, and that's how you love yourself. That's about it. It's about it. If you don't love yourself, who else is?
I think I've just got to spend time with yourself. Like anyone out there, you've got to spend time with yourself and make sure that you do love yourself. Like you say, you take time for yourself, your family, your friends, and really show the best of it. Really. So.
I shave my legs.
Great one. I love that. That's your choice.
I wash my hair.
You have great hair, I must say.
Thank you. That is. What else do I do?
You do a self-maintenance.
Yeah, I love a good pamper day. I do a lot of meditation. I love my parks. I fed the ducks this week. I'm a bit of a loner. I'm a bit of a loner. I like to be on my own. And that is all about like your mind and the self-love that comes with you first. And being in the energy of this kind of vibe, and the boys that obviously, we're like a family. You just attract such an amazing vibe from these people. And it's almost emotional when you're in such an amazing venue.
just wanna dance to a drop.